Hey there, welcome back to LINOVISION. And this channel is all about showing how PoE technologies powers solutions across industries. And in this video, we will show you how to power non-PoE router hundreds of meters away, just by reducing your existing coaxial cable. And coaxial cables are everywhere, often left unused after CCTV upgrades, but with the right solution, they can carry both power and data for PoE, saving huge installation cost. Here's the situation. You need to place a non-PoE router hundreds of meters away from your control room. Maybe in a guard post, remote warehouse corner. The real challenge is how to reliably power the device and deliver a stable network signal to such remote locations. The router needs two things to operate: a stable network connection and a continuous DC power supply. And this is a situation we're facing. There's no power outlet nearby. Running AC wiring is expensive and time-consuming. The only cable you have right now is old coaxial line, originally installed for CCTV or analog TV. Even if you try to redeploy Ethernet cables, the distance is over 300 meters or 500 meters. And one single cable can't reach that far because of the 100-meter limits of the Ethernet and the PoE. And you need additional PoE extenders, which will significantly increase the cost and the complexity. The remote device is a non-PoE device, so you can't just send power over Ethernet directly. At this point, and most people would think that the only option is to lay new Ethernet cables or install power sockets at the remote side, both costly and inconvenient. But what if you could reuse what's already there, that single coaxial line, and then make it deliver both power and data, just like the PoE connection? And this is a LINOVISION PoE over Coax EoC plus PoE Splitter solution. It's designed especially for powering non-PoE devices at an extreme distance. And let's break down. Using LINOVISION EoC converter set, you can transform your existing coaxial cable into a PoE line. It carries both power and Ethernet data up to 1,000 meters, 3,300 feet. And since your router is a non-PoE device, it can't directly use PoE power. And that's what we need: a PoE splitter to separate power and data from the PoE line. It takes the PoE input from the EoC receiver and outputs DC 12 volts power from the device and Ethernet data for the network connection. In this way, your non-PoE device, like this router, works exactly like it's connected locally, powered and networked through the single coaxial line. The LINOVISION EoC system includes transmitter and receiver. In terms of connection order and placement, the receiver is installed on the side of the PoE switch or NVR, while the transmitter is placed on the side of the remote device, and we will demonstrate exactly how to install it. Use RJ59 coaxial cable between EoC receiver and EoC transmitter with the long-reach BNC ports. From EoC transmitter to PoE out, connect to PoE splitter and split the outputs into DC 12 volts power and a data line, and then connect both to the non-PoE router. At the router end, we're getting stable 12 volts output and a solid 100 megabits per second network link over the single coaxial line. A quick note for those who need a higher speed performance: if you're looking for 1 gigabit transmission, and keep an eye out for our upcoming EoC Pro, and we'll be introducing it in one of our next videos. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.